All right, it's Washaholic Wednesday, and I'm Mike Kinderleiter, Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash.com. And today I want to share with you some of the struggles I had when I first started in business and I hired employees, and the difference in pricing a job that you do and that you have your employees do, how you have to compensate for that. Before I get started, I want to talk about our Powerwash University 5-day course. I happen to be here with Tyler Rogan, who is our instructor for the soft wash training portion of it, and house wash, roof wash, some flat work. Tell us what you're going to be doing today, Tyler.
Well, we've got a classroom portion, going to take about an hour and a half, go over some bullet points that we're going to be demonstrating in the field, show these guys the proper way to wash a house and a roof.
Cool. And I think you're going to throw in a dumpster clean today, too. Is that right?
We are. Yeah, we're going to do
a
that'll
be cool.
For a little flat
Awesome.
Yeah, awesome.
People that are following about pricing jobs when it's just you on the truck and then you go to hiring employees. That can be pretty frustrating. So let me just say that when I first started doing this, I found that my profitability when I was running just me on a truck with a crew, and then I started my second crew, that my profitability was almost identical to running a one-man crew. So I had myself, 2 helpers normally, or 1 helper. But when I started that second truck, my profitability stayed almost identically the same. What happens is employees don't think like you do. They're out there to make a paycheck. They're not always super motivated. And there's some ways to get around that will help, but it still won't be as productive as you do, and they don't think about how taking care of the equipment, how saving time on the job. There's just so many little things that add up and slow down the process it's gonna hurt your business. So normally what happens, or what happened at least for me, is I really didn't start to see a bit of an increase in the profitability there until I hit that 3rd truck. And it got really nice at the 4th, 5th truck, and 6th, and so on. So what I want to encourage you to do is to grow your business as fast as possible from that 1 truck to that 3rd or 4th truck. Don't hesitate in growing your business like you did. Like if you took time growing and building up that 1 truck over a 3 or 4 year period, when you go to that 2nd and 3rd truck, do that in 1 season. Try to get to that 4th truck in 1 season. Really work fast and hard to make that happen so that you can grow your business and get back to a good profitable point in your business, because it's just going to happen that way. Employees aren't going to work and perform like you do. It's just the way it is. But while I'm standing here, check out this system behind me. That's our truck skid that we set up. This is a great aluminum frame on here. I'll just give you a quick little checkout on it. So hold on a second. I got a new gimbal. I'm still getting down how it works. There we go. Look at that. So right here, 1/4-inch aluminum, rolled aluminum on the edges. So it's super strong. It's rolled here, rolled there. It's got 4-inch channel, 2x4-inch channel underneath it, so that you can pick it up with the forklifts in and out of the truck. Makes it real easy. Same thing with these side supports here. Again, 1/4-inch aluminum, thick and super strong. Ladder rack on it. It's got our Stallion soft wash system right there. Pretty sweet. And then back here, our prowler. I love the design of the prowler. Cool water system. We could even put a hot water system right here that's on a similar footprint like this. So if you want a hot water machine on the back of this truck skid, we can do that too. Got the tanks for the surfactant, soap, bleach, water, all that's in there. I'm not going to waste your time on it, but if you're interested, let us know. I'm Mike Kinderleiter, Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash.com. Hope you have a safe and successful week. I'll see you next time. Take care.